Guys, you see this thing I'm holding, this thing will actually change your life as a woman, as a lady, in marriage, in relationship. Just try to watch this video from start to finish so that you can get the tips of how you will use it to benefit your marriage, to benefit your love life, so that your husband can love you more than anything and you won't have to share him with another woman. To make you irresistible, to make you a goddess in front of your man. If you have a scattered relationship or your marriage is almost collapsing, use this anti-side chick powder / sweetener goddess powder and thank me later. Okay? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an anti-side chick drink. All right, a lot of you has actually reached out to me and you guys think I'm a babalawo. But see, I'm not a babalawo, to be honest. But trust me, I normally bring to you whatever that can help you, whatever will help your love life, whatever can help your marriage, to make it work and make you feel refreshed, good, juicy, and sweet. That is the jerk of this channel. All right, so for those of you who consider me as mamalawo, I'm not mamalawo. All the things I bring to you are natural things you can just put together yourself. All right, and some you might find it difficult to put it together because there's some certain place you will be able to get some certain ingredient or product you will be mixing together to make yourself sweet, to make yourself succulent, to make yourself slippery, wet, and stay juicy. And trust me, your man is going nowhere. Because see, this thing toto na food though. Men know they joke with her. So it is high time you understand that, so that other ladies that understand this will not snatch away your man and you won't be crying up and down that they don't use juju collect your husband. But I'm telling you today that sex can actually make your marriage work, make your relationship work, or even ruin your relationship. This factor can actually contribute to the success or to the damage of your relationship or marriage. Take it or leave it. I'm so blunt here. I will tell you the truth. This is fact, all right? So in today's video, for you women that love to be with your men alone, you don't like to share your man, you don't want another woman to hire your man, it is high time to start jazzing up, leveling up your mpuna, because it is very, very important. Like I said earlier, sex is food. Like sex is food. In a relationship, in marriage, trust me, this factor actually contributes something special to marriage and relationship, if that makes sense. Okay, so to my fellow women, to my fellow ladies that sabi, this is our anti-side chick powder that you can use to level up, to chase away all the side chick of your man. All right, because while using this, see, you will become so irresistible, because when your man actually wants to take a step forward to go outside, he will think about the experience, the sweetness, the juiciness, something special in you that he cannot find anywhere. All right, it is always better to follow no road. It is always better to do what is needful, if that makes sense, to keep your man, to keep your marriage, to make your relationship work. It is hard work and you must give it your best. All right, so this anti-side chick powder will actually make you sweet from the inside, make you stay juicy, make you stay irresistible. Let me just tell you, this is a goddess sweetener. This is one of a rare sweetener you can't always get anywhere. Trust me when I say this is a must for you to buy. This is a must for you to buy as a woman. Okay, trust me, your life will never remain the same again while using this. All right, so let me just quickly tell you how to make yourself sweet, irresistible, juicy, and your husband will start seeing you as a goddess. Okay, what you need to do is to take 1 tablespoon of this product. All right, this product, anti-side chick powder, anti-side chick sweetener. You just have to take 1 tablespoon of it. Get a milk in a teacup or a yogurt. All right, get a milk or a yogurt in a teacup. Don't go and use agbada or jug or mug, all right, to prepare this. You just need a little bit of milk or yogurt. Mix 1 tablespoon with it and drink it, you know, at night, 1 hour before you start the do. And trust me, your story will never remain the same again. You will have a change of story in your marriage. If your husband nakuna, if to say your husband in high no they stay for one place, see, after using this for him, after meeting you while using this, see, he will not even attempt to go outside, because everything he is looking for outside is available in you. The sweetness, the juiciness, the slipperiness. I don't know what to say, because I want this video to be monetized. That is why I'm so cautious or whatever with my words, with my language. All right, so you just have to mix this concoction together. Drink it every night, 1 hour before you meet your man. Make sure you use it religiously. If you know the meaning of that, and if you are not Yoruba, you can ask Google to translate it for you. Okay, with this, your man will stay glued to you. Your man, if your man hakuna, like I've said earlier, your man will actually repent after using this with him. All right, I hope this video is helpful, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to share this video, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.